Oh my. Oh, I see. Here I am, and...
Close with the fans!
Well, there I am, too. Ha! So I was right! There are indeed ghosts! But being right doesn't make me any less dead, does it?
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
I suppose I imagined it would be more terrifying. Bats flying about your head and thunder and brimstone and all that. But this is almost quaint.
You know who this motherfucker look like, low-key? Lord!
Except for the fact that I was murdered. Ruthlessly, cold-bloodedly killed. And by one of you, no less. Bone from my bone, and flesh from my flesh. My own characters, my friends, my lovers, and my undoing. I suppose we create life knowing that it might in turn destroy life, but I never imagined this. This betrayal, this treachery. And I was of course known for my ability to imagine treacherous deeds. One of you, my beloveds, Annabelle Lee and Lenore. Dupin, who I never much liked, too clever for his own good. Twain, who I liked even less. My feathery friend, or foe, the Raven. The person so cruel he or she didn't deserve a name. Who inhabited a house with haunted floorboards. You know who you are.
Nah, shoddy in love.
Ah yes, in Montresor, you perennial drunk. Griswold.
Do you got games on your phone?
You perennial egotist. And the Red Death. Ah yes, the Red Death. Even you, I loved. I loved you all, in my way, I really did. And yet, one of you killed me. So now you are left to unravel what happened here, to determine how your very favorite author came to his untimely end. It was never my policy, in life or literature, to leave a story open-ended, after all, so please, complete my story. Figure out who killed me, and then close the dusty book forever, and let me rest.
Close with the fans!